pulled asunder, tried to stay afloat, but the waves came crashing down on me. Could have been better, saw the signs too late, and now we're drowning, lost at sea. But I'm hoping one day they'll bring me back to you. Bring me back to you. We didn't make it, but I hope the tides will come and bring me back to you. Now every summer, find myself reliving these old abandoned memories. I know it's over, but I wish you never left, and you're still here drifting with me. So I'm hoping one
keluarga besar orang tua calon mempelai pria Bapak Syamsuddin Denawi dan orang tua calon mempelai wanita yaitu Bapak almarhum Bahrul Latif dan Ibu Hairani, dan seluruh yang kami hormati Bapak penghulu, para saksi, keluarga serta seluruh tamu undangan yang berbahagia.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wahai Ananda Ahmad Musawir bin S. Denawi, saya nikahkan Ananda Fitriyanti Bahrul dengan mahar logam mulia 7 gram serta alat perangkat syarat tunai pernikahan.
Saya terima nikahnya Fitriyanti Bahrul binti Bahrul dengan mahar emas logam mulia 7 gram dan seperangkat alat sholat tunai karena Allah.